Hey guys, I wanted to record a quick tutorial on the interactive notebook just for anybody that feels like they're still confused on it. I totally get it. Once we get through one of these, I think the next one and the one after that is going to seem so much more simple to get through. So be patient, you'll learn the process, and I think you'll really like it in the end. So every interactive notebook starts with the title page and then the unit map. So what you have to keep in mind, all the class activities that we do are in this column. So this one you don't really have to worry about. This is stuff that we'll cover in class. The pick threes, twos, and ones you are responsible for. So they're color coded. So on the right, you'll always see the different lessons that we're going to cover in a unit. And then you'll be able to say, okay, I really liked this lesson. So I'm going to do as many activities as I can from that lesson throughout this unit. Lesson 2 really wasn't my thing, so I think I'm going to skip that. So you always have one lesson that you can skip because you only have to pick 3, one from each of 3 lessons that you choose in this column, and then two from 2 different lessons in this column, each unit. Once you've picked which ones you want to do, you just click on whichever one you're interested in, and it will take you to that activity. If you're doing the hard copy, it's a similar process. You just look at the title, and then you flip through your book and try and find the page with that title, and then you complete it. Once you've completed 3 in this column and 2 in this column, you want to drag a checkbox over to let me know when I'm grading it which ones you did. So you would have a total of 5 in this column, and then you just have 1 in this column. Now keep in mind that your unit project, we do that and are working on it after the notebook is turned in. So the unit project is separate from the interactive notebook, but the links to your options are in this set of slides. So the way that you know work is required is it has a required Bitmoji in the right-hand corner. Every unit that you have will have a different required symbol that you'll look out for throughout. Now, what I want to do is go through each page and I'll let you know if it's required or not, just for this first notebook so that we're all on the same page. So, lesson 1, this has a required Bitmoji on it, but it's just asking you to read whatever it says on there. Sorry, I'm losing my voice here. The second page, we did this in class. We did this one in class on slide 5, nothing to write here. This is one of your pick threes for lesson 1. So if you choose it, this one will be filled out. This is one of the pick twos for lesson 1, and it has 3 pages. So if you chose that, you would fill it out. And again, I always give you some instructions and reminders on the left and on the right. So even if you're doing the hard copy, make sure you check those out. In lesson 2, this page you should have read over. This page you should have filled out. This page should be filled out. This page we did in class, nothing to write here. This is one of the pick threes for lesson 2. This is one of the pick twos for lesson 2. In lesson 3, this we did in class, nothing to write here. This we did in class, nothing to write here. This is one of the pick threes for lesson 3. Lesson 4. This we did in class, so you should have this word search done. This sheet we did in class, so you should have it done. This sheet has the questions that you need to answer on this one, so you should have this filled out. This we did in class, and remember, this is a freebie. This is the pick 3 for lesson 4, so if you were in class and filled it out with us, you already have it done. This is the pick 2 for lesson 4. The last page is where I grade you, and that's your interactive notebook. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to reach out and ask. You've got this. I know that you've got this. So let's wrap up this unit right. See y'all later.